This is currently the best free alternative to Canva. The Adobe Express tool offers an even more impressive set of features than its predecessor, Adobe Spark. Spark was a worthy Canva alternative in its own right, but Express is even better. This is particularly true of the free version, which no longer has the Adobe watermark, something you previously had to pay to remove. Overall, Adobe Express really does a great job of going head-to-head with Canva. It lets you start a brand new project from scratch, but you can also use Adobe's templates to give yourself a head start. There's an entire suite of quick action buttons that you can use to make easy changes to your images, videos, and even PDF files. Although Visme is a bit more expensive than other alternatives here, it's because it focuses on complicated designs like infographics and marketing documents. It's great for people looking for sites like Canva, but that specifically allow you to generate charts and widgets to share within your company. Visme also comes with a suite of collaboration tools, so you can easily work on and share your creations with your entire team. People like social media marketers will find these features particularly useful. Vista Create, this powerful online graphic design tool, is a formidable Canva alternative. Boasting an extensive library of over 150,000 ready-made static and animated templates, Vista Create ensures that you'll always find fresh inspiration and stay up to date with the latest trends. It's arguably the most feature-rich free Canva alternative on this list. Vista Create's free plan is extremely generous and will be enough for many people, especially one-person operations like small blogs or freelancers who need a robust Canva alternative for their graphic design needs. If you're part of a multi-person organization, then you might consider investing in Vista Create Pro. It opens up new features like team editing, so you can create visual content and brand assets for your business or nonprofit with your coworkers. If you're seeking a Canva alternative that offers a familiar set of features, Stencil is an excellent choice. Powered by the good folks over at Namecheap, it offers a wide selection of templates, allowing you to jumpstart your visual content creation. The availability of thousands of web fonts, including Google Fonts, ensures that you can find the perfect typography for your design. Additionally, Stencil allows you to upload your own fonts, enabling you to maintain brand consistency and personalization, similar to Canva. Another Canva similarity is that Stencil provides access to a vast collection of icons and graphics that are royalty-free and safe for both personal and commercial use. You can enhance your visuals with these elements, adding flair and creativity to your designs. Stencil also offers a comprehensive range of preset sizes, including optimal sizes for social networks, ads, and blog posts, making it effortless to create content tailored to different platforms. With these shared features, Stencil offers a compelling alternative to Canva, ensuring a smooth transition between the platforms while providing a comprehensive toolkit for your visual content creation needs. If you're looking for sites similar to Canva, then look no further than Snappa. This Canva alternative works well for making graphics for social media and has excellent options for bloggers. The templates come in handy for getting the perfect dimension, while the millions of free, high-resolution photos make for a rapid design process. The Snappa pricing is slightly higher than that of Canva, but you do receive a few unique editing features.